My name is Dr. Lauren Leck, and I'm privileged to serve as the head of school of the oldest high school in San Diego and the only all-girls Catholic high school. For 139 years, the Sisters of St. Joseph of Carondelet have been sponsoring OLP to serve young women across San Diego. Our students come here to OLP to be the next generation of women leaders in our communities and in our world. Here at OLP, these young women are the next generation serving our communities, a place where women are able to empower other women, a space in which our girls are able to learn together. Now, coming here to OLP, I was unfamiliar with what it meant to be part of an all-girls community, having grown up in a co-ed environment. But in an all-women's institution, there's something magical here. And I'm so excited to share a little bit more with you today. The charism of the sisters, of unifying love, and their mission that all may be one, is part of all we do here at the Academy of Our Lady of Peace. Here at OLP, we believe in a community where all are welcome and all are part of this place. When young women have the chance to learn together, it sets us apart. We have this saying here at OLP where I don't have to be less so she can be more. And we see that time and time again in our classrooms. When we look at the research on the drop in confidence in our young women, this begins as early as adolescence. For our young girls, it drops at a rate greater than 3.5 times than our young boys. Starting at the age of 5th grade, we begin to see this steady decline in the rate of confidence dropping all the way through high school. I saw it even in my niece, a young girl who always had her hand up, and suddenly it began to drop. We see that in our young girls, 46% of them don't believe that they are ready for their dream career. 1 in 3 won't speak up because they're afraid they'll be perceived as bossy. And 1 in 2 are afraid to speak their mind. We know that from the research, it is not an issue of competence, but an issue of confidence. At an all-girls school, we can change that trajectory. We know from our own research here at OLP that we make a difference in not only the confidence, but the ability for girls to see themselves pursuing their passions and their dreams. And the research from NCGS and from Tiffany Reigers Peel supports that. The study results from Tiffany Reigers Peel shows that girls that graduate from an all-women's school have stronger academic skills, greater academic achievement, higher self-confidence, stronger community involvement, greater cultural competency, and even increased political engagement. Our girls who graduate from an all-girls school are ready to take on any passion they want in their lives. For our young women here at OLP, the opportunities are boundless. When we have the opportunity to work one-on-one with our girls in a community that supports them, that sees them, and encourages them. That goes right back to the relationships that our teachers have with our students. That is paramount to what makes OLP so unique. Our teachers see them and allow them to pursue their passions and help them identify their purpose in activities like STEM and STEAM, or to continue in their faith journey through our OLP retreat program that helps them explore even a deeper walk with our Lord. Through our retreat program, our students can combine not only their faith experience, but also service in the larger community through trips locally here in San Diego, and on a global scale. These are the activities that allow our students to really connect with who they are and the difference they want to make on a global scale. When we invite women in our community to come and share at our annual OLP Women's Symposium, it's about sharing their journey with our students, helping provide them with mentorship opportunities, with experiences to learn how other women are leading in our local community, because we know from research that when girls can see it, they can be it. That's one of the prime examples of why our robotics program has taken off at such incredible levels. Through the robotics program, our girls are able to see other students working with power tools, working with programming. Because you see, the culture in things like robotics still persists today, where the girls don't have options in the co-ed environment to program, to work with power tools. But at OLP, a girl is in all of our leadership positions that span over 600 leadership opportunities, with our graduates garnering year over year over $24 million in merit-based scholarships alone, spread across 60% of our graduating class, and 44% pursuing a STEM-based major in college. This is a place where she can pursue her dreams and figure out maybe what those are. Our passion for STEM and STEAM goes hand in hand, whether that's her passion for performing on the stage or being a dancer or a thespian. This is a place where she can be all she can be. Thank you so much for learning more about OLP. I invite you to come and join us at Open House to meet our students, meet our faculty and staff, and enjoy the magic of OLP.